there are hidden dangers here. Keeping still is one way of avoiding detection. The Tham Nam Lod cave is big enough to accommodate a 16-story building. And its walls provide a home for over 250,000 swifts. It's the nesting season. Almost every available ledge and crevice is occupied. Disputes for the few vacant sites are frequent. And rivals only too often end up in the river. Wet feathers make it difficult to get back into the air. And there are hidden dangers here. Keeping still is one way of avoiding detection. Yet the urge to fly is strong. The giant carp and catfish that lurk beneath the surface are always hungry. A pair crash land. One bird is pulled under. But some birds won't go down without a fight. A second chance. Its frantic splashing has already attracted more hungry fish. A near miraculous escape.